Are you looking for the best kids' desks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best kids' desks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. JSB Small Folding Computer Desk. Believe it or not, a quality kids' desk doesn't have to cost you hundreds of dollars. This simple metal and wood option has more than enough surface area. It's 39 inches wide, for children to lay out their notebooks and prop open their laptop for virtual classes. It also has a storage basket that can hold books and folders so they don't end up strewn all over the bedroom floor. A parent can dream, right? On the opposite side, the desk features hooks that are great for hanging headphones or their backpack, and the minimalist design makes this a cinch to set up. Extra bonus, the desk's frame is foldable, making storage of moving it a breeze. Number 2. ECR4 Kids Natural Bentwood Multipurpose Kids Wooden Chair Set. She always wants to get in on the action with her older siblings, and that includes when they go to school. So while she doesn't necessarily need a desk, she'll appreciate being able to color or play alongside them, especially with this nifty chair and table set. The versatile table has more than enough space for all of her art projects. Or you can switch things up and use it as a bench or a shelf that she can stack her books and toys on. The 2 smaller pieces are also multifunctional and can act as side tables to scribble on, or used as chairs that are the perfect size for her tiny frame. Basically, it's like getting 4 different pieces of furniture for the price of one. Number 3. Guidecraft Children's Media Desk and Chair Set. This 24-inch wide desk is designed for kids ages 5 to 12 and is available in 3 soothing colors: gray, lavender, and teal. The solid wood design features 2 cubbies underneath, as well as a hutch with additional storage and a bulletin board. And conveniently, it comes with a ready-to-assemble chair. Parents say it's good quality, too. It seems sturdy and well made. Our daughter just loves it and was so excited to start decorating it and setting it up with supplies, confirms one mom. Number 4. Tangkula White Corner Desk. A corner desk is a great way to save some space, but finding one that doesn't lack storage space can be tricky. But this little guy fits the bill. Despite its smaller design, there is more than enough room to do homework and projects without being cramped. Plus, the large drawer easily fits all the necessities: notepads and pencils, and the shelf underneath is a convenient spot for their textbooks and workbooks. Number 5. Haotian Floating Workstation. If a top priority for finding the best desk for your kid is saving as much space as possible, snag this one. This desk mounts to your wall and gives you a major helping hand in not making a tiny bedroom feel crowded. Despite its small design, it has ample table space for a laptop and workbooks. And it gets 5 stars for its cubby holes and storage shelves that can be filled with school supplies and books. Making the best use of space? Check.